Here's how to save videos to files on your iPhone. Now open up the Photos app and find that video. Let's say in this case, I wanted to save this video from being in the Photos app and I wanted to convert it into the Files app, maybe so that I can use it and access it through iCloud Drive, etc. To be able to do that, we're going to tap on Share and then from here, Save to Files. This will pop up with the Files app here and the files location. You can see in this case, I'm going to tap the back arrow at the top left, and you can see I can save it to my iCloud Drive, or I can save it on this iPhone. Let's choose on my iPhone and then downloads. And at the very bottom, I'm going to, instead of just the random name that it had, I'm going to call this a seafood broil, and then just hit save. I'll show you how to find it. Now just hop out of here. Let's swipe over the app library and just search for the Files app. It usually defaults to somewhere in the Files app for whatever reason. Make sure to tap on Browse at the bottom right, and if you just keep tapping on it, it will just bring you back to the general home screen of the Files app. Now, wherever you saved it, in my case, on my iPhone and downloads, there is that seafood broil that I just downloaded that video. I can always just tap on it from here. And then I can tap on Share if I want to share it, if I want to email it, if I want to print it out, if it's a photo or PDF. I can do a bunch of different things from here.